peaceful. Where you're looking at now is I-95, and if I swing around, that's a relatively new community that just built up over there on Ives Dairy, and this is the waterway, one of the canals, and you're looking at Ives Dairy Road or 199 in the distance. But yeah, the bike trail is as far as the eye can see down to the I-95, and that's a mile down and a mile up. Yeah, sometimes you just have to do it, you know. But I love the water, because the water peaceful. Remember me tell you. Yeah. Alright, let's get back to the walking, because that with about walk and run and walk and run straight like that. See? Folks, I don't feel good at all. I don't know what's happening. The whole place is spinning. The whole house, the whole place is spinning. Oh, no. I forgot doctor. See? Wake up, baby. I forgot the hospital. I can't stay. Yeah.
It's such an exciting way to start the weekend. It's Saturday morning, early Saturday morning, and woohoo! We're at the ER. The hubby. Yeah, I wonder if it's a plan, you know, because I saw somebody else in the ER the other day, and all of a sudden, somebody look like them just want to go to the ER too. That makes sense? You know who may attack. Jackie, you know who may attack. All of a sudden, somebody is in the ER. But yeah, this is where we are, because the hub's not feeling himself at all from yesterday. So we decided to come in and, you know, to just get him checked out to make sure he's alright. But I know he's alright, because God have way back. God have way back. I know he's not on the bed laughing, and he has his head covered because his eyes are sensitive to the light. He's lightheaded and a little bit dizzy and spinning and all of that stuff. So yeah, you have anything to say to all of your fans? God have me back. No matter what, I'm going to attack. God have me back. Yeah. So the system set up. We're in the waiting room. Not the waiting room. We're in the little assessment area, waiting for them to come back with the results of all the tests that were underway. Alright, so yeah, let's go and pray, isn't it?
It's funny enough, because when I do this, I feel lazy.
Oh, you want somebody wheeling around?
It look like it's a party, man.
Oh, why you want somebody wheeling around? This man said he's not dizzy when somebody's wheeling him around. Really? We're going to do a CT scan right now. We have a fella Yardie in the house, attending nurse technician or whatever they're called is a Yardie.
Okay.
This one?
Well, put it this way, I've never had the...
Oh, before. There could be a lot of different stuff.
That's one thing I can't deal with hospitals. It's so cold. And I'm totally intolerant to cold. I have no tolerance for cold weather. And it's freezing in here. And I'm already kind of sniffly. And fighting a cold, so yeah. Yeah, so they're going in to the CT scan. See that thing right there? Yeah. That's the machine that they used to do in the CT scans. He's gonna be wheeled in. Funny. That crazy man right there. Talking about vertebrae.
Stand straight up now.
Years.
Okay.
Crazy.
Okay.
Kino, where's the to him now?
Invertebrate in them ears. Because when them lean it lean. So when them straight up, it's straight.
So it must sleep straight up.
Yes, because an invertebrate, it's a movement.
No, sir. So
She's still trying to make you laugh, huh?
it seems as if they're sending him home. Saying it's vertebrae, a joke, vertigo. Oh my god.
So for that,